Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to set up schedule for our eye comfort shield in Samsung Galaxy S22. To look for our eye shield options, we have to go to settings, then under display we have eye comfort shield. And in here we need to turn it on first, then we can change our schedule right here. For example, we can set our custom timer or use sunset to sunrise. It will use our current location, but we can set our custom time, start and done, and as you can see, our schedule is now set. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.